Yo, YouTube, back with another video, man. We're just gonna give this guy a fade. It's like a drop fade, kind of like a mid fade. Basically, just a fade to fit his hairstyle. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for me. Alright, so we're gonna jump into it. First thing we're doing here is creating our bald guideline. Taking it from the corner of his temple. I'm gonna take it right over the ear and down below his occipital bone in the back. And we're gonna bald him out, and then we will take our electric shaver and knock out all that stubble, remembering to flick as we get closer to that line. And the quick and easy stuff is out the way. So now I like to start my fade with my Andis Masters, and I have the lever open. And I'm really going up to give myself enough room to fade. Sometimes I see a lot of people make this line very small, and it makes it harder to blend out. So if you noticed, I just closed my lever a little bit, and I basically want to bring the fade down. There, I closed my lever all the way, or maybe closed it a little bit, but the idea is that I close my lever little by little until I get the fade out. Get the line out. And every time I close my lever, I don't take my clipper as high anymore. And you'll see me play with the lever to get different spots out. But that's like the easiest way to get that first line out. And my masters are zero gapped, so 90% of the time they'll get that bottom line out. So here we are. This is the 1.5 guard, and I have my lever open. And I'm just taking this all the way up, and I'm flicking out as I get to the top. I don't want to dig into the curls. I'm just kind of going up. And I did create another line towards the top of his head, but that's okay because we'll get that out. Now here I closed the lever, and I'm doing the same thing. From here, I'm basically just going to fade my way all the way down till we get that line out. So here's the number 1 guard, and I have it open, and I'm going up, right up under where I left off with the 1.5 guard. And I'm just bringing everything down slowly by slowly, trying to keep everything as even as possible. Okay, so now here we have the 1/16 guard. Some people call it the 0 guard, the half guard. And basically this line, with this guard, I'm trying to get that line out if I can. I'm not going to force it, but I'm going to do my best with this one. And with this one, I'm really playing with the lever a lot more. And I couldn't get the line out with the 0 guard / 1/16 guard / half guard. So I took the guard off, opened up the masters, and now it's just all detail work. And this is the number 2 guard, and I just kind of want to flick out that line towards the top of his head that I created earlier. And I threw my 1 guard back on there because I saw the spot that I wanted to hit again. So, doing some details. And then he wanted a little bit off of the top. So what I'm going to do here is I promise you guys I'm not picking his hair hard. But I start in the middle, And then I use that as my guide. And I'm gonna go all the way to this left side, then I'll go to the right and even it out. And I didn't want to shape his hair straight up like a box. I wanted to let it, you know, be loose and kind of hang over the sides just a little bit. Because mind you, his hair there's going to be shrinkage because his hair is going to be curly after he takes a shower. And then for some hairline preparation, I like to do a little trimmer over comb to prep that line up, to kind of blend it into the top hair. And with this, you don't ever want to take too much. Just take a little by little till you get everything you need. And with the edge up, I stand directly in front of them, and I go a little bit to the left, I go a little bit to the right, a little bit to the left, and a little bit to the right. Then I like to go all the way to my left, and then I'll take it all the way to the corner, and then once I do that side, I'll go back to the other side, and I'll get that thing straight. Trying my best not to push them back, but make it sharp at the same time. And I wanted to show you guys the beard too, but the camera angles I got just wasn't good enough to put in the video. Throw some enhancements on there. Just a little bit is all I need. A little bit more right there. Then I curl sponged them. This is the before, and here is the after. Let me know what you guys think about the haircut, about the video. If I'm going too fast, you want me to slow it down. Subscribe for more. I got more coming, guys. Thank you.